Have you ever wondered how your data can be stored, accessed, and shared from anywhere in the world, without needing to carry around a hard drive or even be in the same room? How did something so powerful evolve from an idea into the digital infrastructure that powers our everyday lives? This is the story of how cloud computing went from science fiction to something that's now deeply embedded in our world. Stay with us, because the journey might just change the way you see the digital world forever. In the 1960s, computing was a luxury available to only large corporations or government agencies. Computers were enormous, expensive, and used by a select few. Early pioneers like John McCarthy imagined a future where computing power could be rented like a utility. In the 1970s, the concept of virtualization emerged. IBM introduced the ability to share resources between multiple users through virtual machines. This set the foundation for what would eventually become cloud computing. As the internet began to grow in the 1990s, new possibilities arose. Companies like Amazon and Google were starting to leverage the internet for services. But the real game changer came with the rise of broadband connectivity. The dot-com boom of the late 1990s and early 2000s introduced millions of people to the internet, and businesses began moving online. Companies like Amazon and eBay utilized the internet to revolutionize retail and commerce. In 2006, Amazon launched Amazon Web Services, AWS, a major breakthrough. AWS allowed businesses to rent computing power and storage on demand, introducing the world to the idea of cloud computing on a large scale. As cloud computing became more widespread, three key service models emerged: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. These models allowed businesses to outsource their computing needs at different levels. By the 2010s, cloud computing exploded in popularity. With companies like Google, Microsoft, and Apple entering the market, the cloud was no longer just for big businesses. Small companies and individuals could access powerful computing tools remotely. Companies like Dropbox and Google Drive enabled individuals to store files, photos, and documents remotely, freeing up space on their devices and making it easy to share with others. Companies began using a combination of public and private clouds to meet their needs, while also relying on multiple cloud providers to avoid vendor lock-in. Despite its many benefits, cloud computing raised security and privacy concerns. Data breaches, cyber attacks, and issues of control over sensitive information became hot topics. To address these, cloud providers invested heavily in encryption and security protocols. Cloud computing also paved the way for AI and machine learning. Today, businesses use the power of cloud to run AI models and analyze data on a scale never seen before. As we move forward, the future of cloud computing looks even brighter. Emerging technologies like edge computing and quantum computing are beginning to integrate with the cloud, bringing even more power and efficiency to the digital world. As we move forward, the future of cloud computing looks even brighter. Emerging technologies like edge computing and quantum computing are beginning to integrate with the cloud, bringing even more power and efficiency to the digital world. From humble beginnings to being an integral part of our daily lives, cloud computing has truly revolutionized the way we work, play, and communicate. As it continues to evolve, there's no telling just how much it will shape the world of tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Tech Ed Revolution for this kind of educational videos.